Sahaj Das, go to her. God himself came in the guise of his son and said, Jyot Niranjan, you have committed a crime. One who commits such a crime in such a sacred place gets a punishment that you would be known as Kal from today onwards. You will eat 1 lakh human beings and produce 1,25,000 souls daily. From today, your name will be Kal. He took the girl, he took Durga out of Kal's stomach and expelled them both along with their 21 universe from Satlok. The said 21 universes stopped after covering a distance of 16 sunk course, and according to his law, they started revolving. Now Kal again thought that who can harm me now? Whatever punishment they wanted to give me, they have given it. He again started misbehaving with Durga. She again pleaded with him that, Jyoti Niranjan, firstly, you are my elder brother and I am your younger sister. Secondly, I have come out of your stomach, so I am your daughter too. Here Durga said everything in order to save herself and to save her respect. Satan ignored Durga's appeals. God had to see how sinful this devil can become. God, while creating girl's appearance, did not create any female genitals. Jyot Niranjan, by his word power, made female genitals on her body. With his power and nails, and forcefully married her. She gave birth to 3 sons, elder one Brahma, second Vishnu, third Shiv. अब मैं तुमसे कहूँ चिताई, त्रिदेवन की उत्पत्ति भाई. ज्ञानी सुने सो हृदय लगाई, मूर्ख सुने तो गम ना पाई. माँ अष्टंगी पिता निरंजन, ये जम दारुण वंशन अंजन. पहले की निरंजन राई, पीछे से माया उपजाई. मैया रूप देख अति शोभा, देव निरंजन तन मन लोभा. निरंजन कीन है भोग विलासा, माया को रही तब आशा. 3 पुत्र अष्टंगी जाए, ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव नाम धराए. 3 देव विस्तार चलावे, इनमें यो जग धोखा खावे. 3 गुणों की भक्ति में ये भूल पड़ो संसार. कहे कबीर निज नाम बिना कैसे उतरो पार. 3 देव की जो करते भक्ति, उनकी कदे न होवे मुक्ति. Knowledge giver of Quran Sharif says that he is God Kabir who created the universe in 6 days. Now we'll have to show you the Holy Bible before that. This is the Holy Bible. Full life study Bible. This is Bible. This is its general editor. We will read in Hindi from here. Managing editor, David Stewart. English, chief editor, Donald C. Stamps. MA, MDiv. Joint editor, all these. It has been published from here. See here, it has been published from Missouri, USA. Now in this, at the very beginning, is the topic of Genesis. At the very beginning of Genesis, in the first chapter itself, Genesis means creation, Genesis 1. On page 4 here, Genesis begins from here, Genesis 1. In the beginning, God created the sky and the earth. This was the first day. In this way, the first day concluded. Then the second day concluded. God created light, etc. Then there was dusk and dawn, and the third day happened, and whatever was in it. Fruit-bearing trees and their seeds of variant species were created in this way. Now this was the third day. To rule over day and night, and to cause light and dark. In this way, dusk occurred, and then dawn occurred, and this was the fourth day. Then see here, on page number 5, you read that on page 4. Now what is written on 5? Dusk occurred and then dawn occurred, then 5th day happened. Now we have to come on the 6th day. This is the real thing. Then God said, let us make man in my image, in my likeness, and they have authority over the fishes of the sea, birds of the sky, the domestic animals, and over the entire earth, and all the creeping creatures that crawl on earth, meaning man should be more intelligent than them. Then God created man in his own image. According to his own image, God created him, and God created human beings as males and females. So what does God look like? Like a human being, like man, it is understood. Now see here, in this way, 6th day, dawn occurred, dusk occurred in this way. This was the 6th day. Now the 7th day, God finished his work which he used to perform on the seventh day. He took rest on the seventh day from all of his work, meaning he created the nature in 6 days and took rest on the seventh day. That's it. We had to only take this much from here. Now the Holy Bible has clarified that God is like a man. He created man in his own image. He created them as male and female. Further, there is very good evidence that God is in form. He can be seen standing in front of you and he speaks too. It is written in the Bible. Now let us show you Quran Sharif. Please see. This is Quran Sharif, Holy Quran Sharif. About this, it is written that this is their Arabic language. Jalikal kitabu la raib ja shalah fihi ja. They have written its meaning that this is that Ilhami book, religious book, in which there is no scope of any doubt. It means that whatever is written in it is final for us. We have no doubt about anything in it. There is nothing wrong in this. This is their support. From where it has been composed, classical Arabic manual, but in Nagari script, commentary with translation. It means commentary in translation. Translator is Nand Kumar Avasthi. Sherwani edition. From where is it printed? Quran Sharif, Sherwani edition. Publisher is Lucknow Kitab Ghar, Mausam Bagh, Sitapur Road, Lucknow. It has been published from here. Now we come at it, Surat Furqani 25. See this. This is Quran Sharif and Suratul Furqani. It is called Suratul Furqani, that is Surat Furqani 25. Now in this we will see from here. Please see. This is ayat, verse number 52. Verse 51 ends here and 52 begins. Fala tuliyal kafirin va jahidhum bihi jihadan kabiran. It is clearly written Kabiran. Whether you call it Quran Sharif or Majid, now we will show you. Now they have written its Hindi translation here. This verse 51 ends here and 52 starts. It is the translation of the Arabic language that we read. It is written in this Nagari script. Now the verse 52 has been translated here. So, O Prophet, the giver of knowledge of Quran Sharif is saying to Prophet Muhammad, you may not listen to the kafirs, disbelievers. Those who instead of worshipping God worship other deities are called kafirs, disbelievers. And with the evidence of this Quran Sharif, that is the knowledge that I am giving you, face them with great force. They have interpreted Kabir as great. And they should have written that Allah, Fala tutiyal kafirin va jahidhum bihi jihadan kabiran. Kabiran means you may struggle for Kabir. The disbelievers do not believe that Kabir is God, but I am telling you that Kabir is everything. Now here you may say Kabiran, Kabir, Khabir or Khabira. They are all the names of this same God as per various languages. Now we will show you in holy books. Please see Shiv Puran. This is concise Shiv Puran, illustrated, bold font, only Hindi. It has been published from Gita Press, Gorakhpur. Who is its editor? Hanuman Prasad Poddar. It has been published from Gita Press, Gorakhpur. Let us show you Rudra Samhita of this holy book. Concise Shiv Puran from page number 98. We will start from its end here. Following this link, we will move ahead. 5th chapter of Rudra Samhita ends here. Listening to his son Narad, the father of the world, Brahma said this there. Now the 6th chapter starts. Brahmaji said, Brahmaji is saying to his son, superior amongst the deities, Dev Shiromani, you are always busy with the task of welfare of the world for the benefits of the people. You have asked this great question. When the entire animate and inanimate world had got destroyed, then nothing remained, only darkness ensued. At that time, Tat Sad Brahm, the Sat that is heard in this sound, only that remained. Firstly, these Brahma etc. had no particular knowledge. Nevertheless, to date, we kept on believing these Purans to be true. We will see from that itself, Tat Sat Brahm. Now, who is this pointing to? We will tell this later. Now, we will see objective first. Now, see on page 100. The Parabrahma regarding whom, through knowledgeable and ignorant. Now, Brahma Ji is the best speaker of this universe, and he says that I will impart some knowledge, somewhat true and somewhat false. As per my knowledge, the Parabrahm, regarding whom, through knowledgeable and ignorant utterances, the following options are presented. He, after some time, presented the desire for a second within him, arose the pledge to become more from one. Then that formless God with his divine power imagined a figure, form for himself. Murti means form. He who is formless, Param Brahm, his figure is God Sadashiv. Both ancient and modern scholars call him God. At that time, the one living alone and indulging in leisure at his own will, that Sadashiv from his own body, he himself created a self-featured figure, Shakti, who was inseparable from his own body. That Parashakti has been said to be Pradhan, leader, Prakriti, Gunvati, Maya, mother of element, intelligence, free from vices. That Shakti is said to be Ambika, she is alone, called Prakriti. Remember this Prakriti word, it is for Durga here. In Gita chapter 14, verses 3, 4, 5, when the servant of God will show you the origin of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, then these are code words there. These Prakriti is used for Durga, that this Prakriti is my wife. I placed the seed in her womb by which all are created. Kal is narrating Gita. Sarveshwari, goddess of all, and Tridev Janani, mother of the three deities, and she is also called eternal and main source created by Sadashiv. That Shakti has 8 arms, Ashtangi.